welcome to my new vlog. For this week, I will show you how to plant mango seeds. This is mango beans or mungo in Tagalog. Day 1, we soak the beans in water for 12 hours and tomorrow we will plant it in the soil. Day 2, I will plant the seeds in the soil.
I don't fold it. I don't see. Is it private? Inside?
Everything inside.
Lahat ba?
I will put it outside to get some sunlight. Hello, good morning. This is day 3. I will water the mango seeds. Come on, let's go.
Water mo na. Uy, sobrang dami.
Sorry. Now I will put it back where sunlight can reach it.
Hindi ako nagsitas ito. Saan mo lalagay? Hindi.
This is day 4. I will again water the mango seeds. Look, the seeds are already taking roots.
Okay, go.
Good morning, this is day 5 and we will again water the plant. Hina. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Sorry we skipped day 6 because my mother is so busy. She's going somewhere. She's working. Her school is there. So now we are going to film day 7. So let's look at the
Yeah.
Ganda na nga eh. Hawakan mo.
Wow.
Hello.
After 7 days, we now have mango plants.
Hey!
Ikaw pa nagsasabi.
Hey! Nagising ko.
Nag-video mo siya?
The boots. You're wearing.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.